Hello folks, I am Ken Briota and we are here at ITEXPO talking about some of the most interesting technology to come into the IT industry over the last year. And I'm here with Anand and NetSapienes, and you guys are doing some really interesting things in VoIP from what I understand. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what you guys are working on?
Sure, absolutely. We, in general, what we provide is a voice over IP UC platform. Been in the industry for quite some time, and really what we've been pushing into now is to offer really the UC level of unified services to small and medium-sized businesses and enterprises through our partner clients, of which we have quite a few now.
What are some of the end use cases? What are folks able to take advantage of then?
So we have anything from contact center functionality to just basic find me, follow me type functionality, portals that allow people to check messages. Using the web browser, if you will, using a mobile app, so on and so forth. So the idea here is to unify the experience as much as it is, unify communications per se.
Yeah. What are some of the challenges that you face sort of moving, because obviously the industry is ever evolving and there's stuff happening. What are some of the things you're seeing?
So I think one of the biggest challenges just in general being a technology company that's been in the space for quite some time is that it's very easy to I would say trivialize some of the problems that exist and think that why aren't people adopting the technology more, and so a lot of it is just basic I would say adoption, because if you look at the statistics for a lot of the reports and the industry analysis that is done says that there's quite a bit of migration from TDM or legacy phone systems to IP-based phone systems that's still yet to occur. And so a lot of the challenges revolve around education and just getting people to understand that there's a better way of doing things.
Yeah. And what are some of the barriers there? I mean, what are the objections that folks would say to you that, it works fine or whatever?
Yeah, so I mean, I think some of it is really, it may not be the forefront of, especially for a small and medium-sized business, it may not be the first thing that they look at. I mean, they're obviously trying to solve a lot of problems with few resources. Yeah. And so one of the challenges is just, okay, well, I don't really see the value in the short run. Right. So it's really a matter of educating them on, what are the cost benefits. Not only what are the cost benefits, but more importantly, what are the productivity gains that you get by taking a platform and saying, okay, put it into the cloud. Offer take your business to the next level, if you will, by enabling cloud-based services so that you can spread your work around, you can do your work around the clock, and be a lot more efficient.
Are you finding that a lot of your clients are using your services in-house to improve their own businesses as well as transferring through to other clients and white labeling it?
In fact, that's a very common use case. We see our folks that are whether they're resellers or service providers that are now starting to offer cloud UC services, the first things that they typically do is they basically use it internally, whether it be for contact center functionality, whether it be for just hosted PBX functionality, just to get used to the new technology that's out there, getting more comfortable with the notion that I'm going to check my voicemail through a web browser. I'm going to do all of my checking of messages and whatnot through a mobile app, things of that nature. So we do see a number of clients that are actually deploying it internally first, in parallel with going out to their client base.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, that's about all the time we have. I want to thank you, Anand. Why don't you tell folks where they can find you online if they come looking for you?
Sure, absolutely. www.netsapienes.com.
All right. Thanks very much. Folks, we'll catch you soon.
Thank you.